Let's now get you some news coming in from down south. Chennai has seen a sudden spike in the number of cases, with nearly 900 cases being reported in less than a week. Now, authorities say that this spike is linked to a market in the city. At least 100 cases have been linked to the Koyambedu market in the city, and numbers have shot up in Chennai, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, Kadalur and Chengalpet due to this cluster. The Greater Chennai Corporation has now asked people who are visiting Koyambedu to currently self-report and take necessary steps at this point. Let me go across to my colleague Pramod, who's joining me live with further updates on this. Pramod, this is quite concerning because it seems that the Koyambedu market, which is a cluster, a lot of cases have been reported, and that perhaps is seen as one of the source for increase in the number of cases. And people who have travelled to several other districts, there has been cases reported as well. What is the step taken by the state government at this point?
Absolutely is. In the recent times, the Greater Chennai Corporation actually declared that there are 5 clusters in the state of Tamil Nadu: the Delhi Conference Cluster, the Tiruvika Nagar Cluster, which is in Chennai, the Foreign Travelers Cluster, Media Person Cluster, and the final one is the Koyambedu Market Cluster, which has turned completely worrisome because Koyambedu Market is a large hub where people are bringing all their produce from various other districts, and vegetables and fruits and flowers were also distributed to various other districts from the same area. So this was the last line of supply chain, and the authorities were not ready to actually block it because it might cause a lot of trouble with people getting their essential items. Unfortunately, what has occurred is that even though the authorities kept the market open, they're trying to say that people should maintain social enforcing, social distancing. Unfortunately, it was not enforced properly, and that's the reason you could see right now that the numbers are spiking once again in the city of Chennai. In fact, of the 3,023 positive cases now in the entire state of Tamil Nadu, 1,458 is from Chennai alone, and it has turned into an extremely worrisome situation. Now, the authorities also claim that they are trying to take measures to actually find out the people who are related to Koyambedu and try to isolate them to make sure that they can bring the numbers under control once again.
All right, Pramod, many thanks for joining us and getting us all those updates.